In this session, we'll take a look at the quotient rule for derivatives. In this problem, we're asked to find the derivative for x divided by x cubed plus 5. In order to find the derivative for a quotient, we'll use the quotient rule. The quotient rule states that the derivative of a quotient, u divided by v, is equal to u prime times v minus v prime times u, all divided by v squared. We're given u and v from our problem. We're given the numerator is u, and we're given the denominator is v. Now we'll list out the rest of the elements to complete the quotient rule. We're given u as x. From u we can find u prime. U prime is equal to 1. We're given v as x cubed plus 5. From v we can find v prime as 3x squared. Now we'll apply the quotient rule. We'll multiply u prime times v minus v prime times u divided by v squared. So we have the derivative as, the first thing we'll do is we'll write out v squared. So we have v as x cubed plus 5. We'll simply encapsulate that in a set of parentheses and square it. In the numerator, we'll substitute u prime for 1 times v, which is x cubed plus 5. Following the quotient rule, we have minus v prime. We see that v prime is 3x squared, and we see that u is x, so we have minus x times 3x squared. So now we'll simplify the numerator. So we have dy dx. We'll write out v squared. We'll remove the parentheses, so we'll distribute 1 in our first term. So 1 times x cubed is x cubed. 1 times 5 gives us 5. Now we'll distribute x. So negative x times 3x squared gives us negative 3x cubed. Now we'll simplify like terms for a final result of 5 minus 2x cubed divided by x cubed plus 5 quantity squared. Let's take a look at another example. In this example, we're asked to find the derivative for the function x squared minus 2 divided by 5x plus 1. Since we're finding the derivative of a quotient, we'll use the quotient rule. The quotient rule states that the derivative of a quotient u divided by v, that's equal to u prime times v minus v prime times u divided by v squared. We're given u and v in our problem. We're given that u is the numerator, which is x squared minus 2. We're also given that v is a denominator. We'll set v equal to 5x plus 1. And now we'll complete the quotient rule. We're given u as x squared minus 2. From u we can find u prime, which is 2x. We're given v, which is 5x plus 1. From v we can find v prime, which is 5. Now we'll apply the quotient rule. We'll multiply u prime times v minus v prime times u, all divided by v squared. So the first thing we'll do is we'll write out the denominator squared. So we'll write out 5x plus 1. We'll encapsulate that with a set of parentheses. We'll square it. And now we'll write out u prime times v. So we have u prime is 2x times v. V is 5x plus 1 minus v prime times u. So we have v prime as 5. We have u as x squared minus 2. Now we'll simplify the numerator. We'll remove the parentheses. We'll distribute 2x in our first term. So we have 2x times 5x, which is 10x squared. But the first thing we'll do is we'll write out our denominator squared. Now we'll write out 10x squared. We'll multiply 2x times 1, which gives us 2x. And now we'll distribute -5. So -5 times x squared is -5x squared. -5 times -2 is +10. The next thing we'll do is combine like terms, which gives us a final result of 5x squared plus 2x plus 10 divided by 5x plus 1 quantity squared. Thanks for watching.